Tire Outlet. Today we're going to teach you how to repair a tire. Now we already pulled this nail out. First thing, I prefer to use a headlight when I'm repairing tires so I can see the hole, see what I'm doing. Straps to your head. Now we're ready. The inside right here, you can see. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to grind it down so the patch has something to stick to. Vulcanizing cement. This melts the patch to the tire and it becomes part of the tire. Okay, now we're going to use vulcanizing fluid. This stuff melts the patch to the tire and it becomes part of the tire. All right. Now you put the vulcanizing cement on the patch that we just grind down so it has something to stick to. You got to let it put a patch on. This will be melted onto the tire and it becomes part of the tire. You got to wait for the vulcanizing cement to dry a little bit so it can stick to the patch. You peel this blue backing off and it reveals the patch underneath. Now we're going to put the patch on the tire. We use this thing to make sure that the patch is secure to the tire. And just like that, it's fixed. Yeah. Now we're going to put some bead sealer on there to make sure there's no leak. And just like that, you're back on the road.